Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Well, it's May again, so it's time for another bullet journal. So last month I didn't really like my bullet journal, the way I set it up, but sometimes you need to just experiment and see if you like things. So for this month I'm gonna use some different kind of style. So let's get started. So this is it for now, and well, let's start at the beginning. I made a colibri bird. I don't know how, a hummingbird. I'm sorry, you call it hummingbird. In Dutch it's a colibri, but this is a hummingbird, and well, the transitions from dark to light, I don't really find it. Well, it's hard for me to use those felt tips, super tips, Crayola, to make the dark and light go smoothly. But well, maybe I could use very good color pencils and something to rub it into each other, but because I only use these Crayola super tips in my bullet journal, I just, well, I had to use this. And well, here are the monthly and weekly and oh, sorry, monthly, weekly and daily chores, and I have those post-it things, so I have to put it in here. And I did this on freehand because when I'm doing this I draw the stuff I want, so I can use my pen to just outline it. But I did this freehand. I don't really like it, but well, it's okay. Maybe I'm gonna put some more in it, and I'm gonna do this on these 2 pages too, but I do it when I have more time on hand, and well, that will come in later. And this I really like because I really like the colors, and maybe you don't see that well because when I'm taping this it is evening when my kids are sleeping. So well, it's really bright, and I really like this because I really like bright colors. So these are the things I want to eat that week, and you can see that May starts at a Thursday, so these are not filled in. And well, it's convenient to write down a weekly menu so I know which groceries I have to buy. And well, I also had a brain dump and my goals for this month. So that's it for this month. And I think in March I did a what I sow outside or inside or in my greenhouse. But well, I don't sow anything this month, so it's just this bullet journal for May. So for you, I wish you a very happy May month, and for now just a good day. So hope to see you next time. Bye bye.